Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to make basic chain. Single crochet and double crochet. To do this we need woolen thread and a crochet hook. We are going to see how to make basic chain. For that make a knot like this. See, now I got a loop. To make our first chain, insert the hook inside the loop like this. Next, put it under the thread and bring it outside the hole. Look, we made our first chain. Remember, we should not put the hook like this. It should always go left side under, and then you should bring the thread outside the loop. See, we finished 2 chains. 1, 2. Like this, we can make many chains as we want. See, now I made 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the base for everything. Next, we are going to make single crochet. To do that, we will work with these chains only. For that, leave the 5th chain. We need to start with the 4th one. Put your hook inside it, under the thread, and take it out. Now you should have 2 loops on your hook. We need to take it out of the thread. Now again you should have 1. See, I made my first single crochet chain. Next, let's do the same with our 3rd chain. Now I have 2 loops. I'm going to take it out. I made my 2nd single crochet chain. Now 2nd chain. Next, 1st chain. I finished. I made 4 single crochet chains. See, we made single crochet. Now we are going to see how to make double crochet. To make it, you can put as many basic chains as you want. I made 5 chains. We are going to do double crochet now. It is very simple. You should do same like single crochet. You need to turn the hook inside the thread like this. Then you should put it into the 4th chain. You should take it out. I will show you one more time. See, I have 3 loops. Now we should only take 2 loops out. I took. Now remaining 2 loops is there. We should take that also. In the end, only 1 loop should be remaining. See, I made 1 double crochet chain. Now I am going to do the same with the 3rd chain. I have 3 loops. I should take 2 out. I made my second double crochet chain. Now I'm going to do the same with the second chain. See, I made double crochet chains. That is how to make basic chain, single crochet and double crochet. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And if this video was helpful, let us know in the comments below.